Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 14 Pro Max for Boost Mobile. So the iPhone 14 Pro Max is now here at Boost Mobile in 128GB of storage for $1099.99, and that's the only storage option that Boost Mobile offers with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So you guys have three colors. You guys have space black, gold, and deep purple color options there. So there's the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It looks like the iPhone 13 Pro Max from last year, but you guys will notice that it has a pill-shaped cutout there on the front for the dynamic island feature, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, that's front and back of it. So you guys have your triple camera system, camera first, Apple logo there on the back. There's the front of it there. You guys have your power button on the right side of the phone, volume keys on the left side of the phone, along with your alert switch. There's a closer look at the cameras there. Right side, like I said, power button, front and back, and there it is in the different colors. So yeah. So the iPhone 14 Pro Max has iOS 16, of course, 6.7-inch display, 48 megapixel main camera, 29 hours of video time, so that's pretty nice. It says iPhone 14 Pro Max capture incredible detail with their 48 megapixel main camera, experience iPhone in a whole new way with dynamic island and always on display, and get peace of mind with groundbreaking safety features. So that's really good. Features: Pro Beyond, a magical way to interact with your iPhone. Groundbreaking safety features designed to save lives. An innovative 48 megapixel main camera in the display that's up to 2 times brighter in the sun. All powered by the ultimate smartphone chip. Beauty that's built to last. Always on display. The info you want at a glance. Water and dust resistant. 6.7-inch display. Ceramic shield. Tougher than any smartphone glass. Surgical grade stainless steel. Dynamic island. Meet the reimagined face of iPhone. Dynamic island bubbles up music, sports scores, FaceTime, and so much more, all without taking you away from what you are doing. Vital safety features you will hopefully never need, but if you do, they're there. It says emergency SOS via satellite lets you text with emergency services when you're off the grid. With crash detection, iPhone 14 Pro can detect a severe car crash and call 911 when you can't. So there's great features to have, so that's awesome. Photography: the Pro camera system gets massively more pro. 48 megapixel main camera with an advanced quad pixel sensor, up to 4 times the resolution for jaw dropping cropping, much more detail and much less light. Hollywood features for your films: cinematic mode starring 4K HDR at 24 frames per second, the film's industry standard. Action mode: take smooth handheld videos, no gimbal required. Super fast, super efficient. A16 Bionic powers dynamic island, leaps in computual photography, the always-on display, and so much more. A16 Bionic, the ultimate smartphone chip, faster 6-core CPU, handles demanding workloads smoothly and efficiently. Advanced ISP powers the creative flexibility of the quad pixel sensor. Up to 29 hours of video playback with iPhone 14 Pro Max. Up to 23 hours of video playback on iPhone 14 Pro. Specs: 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display featuring always-on display and Pro Motion, basically a 120Hz refresh rate. Battery: all-day battery life and up to 29 hours of video playback. A16 Bionic chip, iOS 16, of course. The iPhone 14 Pro Max weighs 8.47 ounces. Camera: 48 megapixel main, 24mm f1.78 aperture, second generation sensor shift, optical image stabilization, 7 element lens, 100% focus pixels, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 13 millimeter f2.2 aperture, and 120 degrees field of view, 6 element lens, 100% focus pixels. Storage options: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte of storage. Boost Mobile only has the 128 gigabyte iPhone 14 Pro Max, so keep that in mind. Connectivity: 5G capable, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi capable, Lightning connector, Apple Pay. Dimensions: 6.33 inches height, 3.5 inches height, 6.33 inches height, 3.5 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. Other features include face unlock, face ID, water dust resistance, IP68 rating for that. What's included with the iPhone 14 Pro Max is your documentation, iPhone 14 Pro Max, USB-C to Lightning cable, and that is it. So, yeah. There you guys have it. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is now here at Boost Mobile. So if you guys are looking to get like the best iPhone of this year, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is the iPhone for you, because it has all the features. Dynamic Island has, if you guys want the big screen, the ProMotion display, which is 120 Hz refresh rate, get the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.